Are you looking for the top 5 best budget fitness trackers? Which fitness tracker is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the real answers. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 budget-friendly options that could help you reach your fitness goals without breaking the bank. Product number 1, Fitbit Inspire 3. Let's kick things off with the Fitbit Inspire 3. This sleek little tracker caught my eye, especially with its price point of around $89. If you want an all-around fitness companion that keeps tabs on your health, this is worth a serious look. The Inspire 3 comes packed with features that address your fitness and wellness needs. You've got a heart rate monitor that checks your heartbeat 24/7, which is vital for optimizing your workouts and ensuring you're not overdoing it. The daily readiness score and active zone minutes help you understand how well your body is performing, so you can adjust your activity levels accordingly. Plus, it tracks over 40 exercise modes automatically, which is perfect if you like variety in your workouts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you're not just moving, you're moving efficiently and getting the most out of your efforts. Now, here's the thing. Some users have mentioned that the battery life can sometimes fall short of the advertised 10 days. But honestly, for a device with so many features, it's a minor trade-off, especially since it charges quickly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fitness tracker that balances both activity and wellness monitoring. Skip this one if you need a tracker with advanced GPS features, as it relies on your phone for that. Alright, if the Inspire 3's battery... Product number 2. Whoop 5.0. Next up is the Whoop 5.0, which is a bit pricier at $359, but hear me out. If you're serious about your health and want personalized insights, this one's worth considering. The Whoop 5.0 is unique because it focuses entirely on performance. It doesn't have a screen to distract you with notifications. Instead, it monitors everything 24/7. From sleep to strain and recovery, it gives you a comprehensive view of your health. It even has a heart screener that lets you check your ECG right from your wrist. This is super important for tracking your heart health over time. The impressive 14+ day battery life means you can wear it around the clock without worrying about charging it constantly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows you to maintain a consistent health routine without interruptions. However, some people find the subscription model a bit off-putting, as you're signing up for a 12-month membership. But honestly, if you're committed to improving your fitness and health, this investment could pay off big time. This is perfect for you if you want detailed health metrics and are comfortable with the subscription model. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional fitness tracker with a display. Now, if the... Product number 3, Bakur Fitness Tracker. Next on our list is the Bakur Fitness Tracker, priced at just $28.99. If you're looking for something that won't break the bank, but still offers essential tracking features, this one's a solid choice. The Bakur tracker features a 1.1-inch AMOLED touchscreen that provides clear visibility for notifications and tracking. It monitors your heart rate continuously, which helps you understand your fitness levels better. Plus, it tracks your sleep patterns, giving you insights into your rest quality. Super helpful for those who want to improve their sleep habits. It also comes with 25 sports modes, so whether you're running or cycling, it has your back. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having detailed stats on your workouts can motivate you to push harder and reach your goals. Now, some reviews have pointed out that the app can be a bit clunky at times, but I'll be real with you. For the price, you're getting a ton of features, and the tracker itself performs reliably. This is perfect for you if you want an entry-level fitness tracker that covers the basics without the fuss. Skip this one if you need advanced features. Product number 4, LivyKey Fitness Tracker. Now, let's talk about the LivyKey Fitness Tracker, which is priced at just $19.99. If you're on a tight budget but still want to keep track of your fitness, this is definitely worth considering. The LivyKey tracker offers heart rate monitoring and sleep analysis, which can really help you understand your overall health. It tracks steps, calories burned, and walking distance, so you can see how active you are throughout the day. The IP68 waterproof rating means you can wear it while washing your hands or in the rain without worry. This is crucial if you want a reliable tracker that can handle everyday life. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're getting a solid fitness tracker that you don't have to baby, allowing you to focus on your workouts. However, some users mentioned the build quality feels a bit cheap. But honestly, considering the price and the essential features, it's a small trade-off for those looking for affordability. This is perfect for you if you need a basic tracker that covers the essentials for daily activity. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like GPS or smartphone notifications. But if product number 5, Fitness Tracker by Bakur. Finally, we have the Fitness Tracker by Bakur, also priced at $28.99. If you like the previous Bakur model but want something even more comprehensive, this is a great option. This tracker features all-day activity tracking and a 1.10-inch AMOLED display for clear notifications. It monitors your heart rate and even provides insights on your sleep quality, helping you track your rest patterns. It supports 25 sports modes, which is impressive for this price range, allowing you to tailor your workouts easily. The IP68 waterproof rating means you can wear it during workouts without worry. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a reliable tracker that can withstand the elements while monitoring your health is crucial for staying motivated. On the downside, some users reported that the battery life is not as long as they expected, requiring more frequent charging. But honestly, for the price and the features you're getting, it's a fair compromise. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive tracker that doesn't cost a fortune. So to wrap it up, the Fitbit Inspire 3 offers great wellness tracking, but has a slight battery drawback. The Whoop 5.0 is excellent for serious fitness enthusiasts willing to invest in their health. The Bakur tracker gives you essential features at a wallet-friendly price. The Livy Key is perfect for budget-conscious users who want the basics, and the other Bakur tracker is another solid choice if you want more functionality.